Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to online recording classes due to COVID-19. So, already your sixth semester exams are announced by the Kakti University. So, in your sixth semester, the sec papers are two papers are there. One is the preparation of tax returns and another one is advertising paper. So the preparation of tax returns are taken by the Venugopal sir and advertising paper myself. Then it is a 50 marks paper, then 10 marks internal and 40 marks university exam. So that is already and also in last session classes I informed to you and clearly I explained what subjects are there in sixth semester that is going on. And once again I am giving the information to you. First of all, you don't worry, because in COVID situation your question paper pattern is very easy and easily pass. Will give the total 10 questions for the 80 marks paper and for 40 marks paper 2 long answers and 3 short answers. Okay? So in this subject, our subject name is advertising. The paper title name is advertising. So it is general topic and general discussions. How they are advertising in public application and publish, and who are using the advertising system in our business. Okay. So in this subject 2 units, it consists of 2 units. So the unit number 1 is introduction to the advertising. So what is the meaning of advertising? So you have to advertise in number of types. So what type you are using, how they are using, and which purpose. So that you have to write in definition. So the advertising definition and also the significance of the advertisement. After that, the classification of the advertisement and functions. So the objectives of advertising, then media plannings and media selection, then media planning process and selection of media, and factors influencing the choice of media and benefits of the advertising. So in everyday and day to day, we are looking and we are seeing in outside. So the number of boards are the side of the main roads, the ad purpose. Okay. Then the showrooms are showing their different products and everything in advertisement. So what is called the type of advertisement? How it called? And also you have to classify how many types are there, and then the total syllabus of the advertising subject I will send to you in your group, and once again you have to read out. Then after I will give some questions. Why? Because the time is less. Because from 9th August it is going to conduct the 6th semester exams, and the first paper is preparation of tax returns and second paper is advertising. So that's why the time is very less. So according to that, nearly 8 to 9 classes in online, and in same day I will send to you the total question and answer and explaining here. then how to write the exam. Okay, so in examination point of view, you have to prepare every day and don't waste your time. These 15 days are very precious. Why? Because today 28th and 29, 30, 31. So only 3 days left in the July month, and August 1st to 8th. So number of days, 8 days, 8 plus 3, 11 days. So 1 day for the other purpose, only 10 days are left. Only 10 days are left. So if it is convenient in our lab timings or any, then I will take extra classes also for this subject. Okay, but not only here, in all colleges also same like and same situation, but everyone doing like that what I told. So same like they are everyone taking the పేపర్. అంటే ప్రతి కాలేజీలో కూడా ఇలాగే సిచ్యువేషన్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి మీరు ఎలాంటి ఇబ్బంది పడాల్సిన పని లేదు. అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ విల్ బి write the exam same like in other colleges also and here also, because the UGC norms, University Grants Commission and Higher Education, so according to the instructions of the UGC and Higher Education, so they are immediately conduct the exams and give the result for the higher education purpose. So that's why at any cost, at any way, at anyhow, but up to August 31st, everything will be completed with result also maybe. And in August month, other exams also there, the competitive exams, and today the PG set also announced, and online apply for the Bcom and MBA like that. So MBA, that is I said already, you know, but the PG entrance, Bcom, MSc and MA, okay, that also came today. So you have to see and apply who are interested for doing the Bcom course, PG level. So it is a common entrance test to all universities. So in previous individual universities are conducted, but now they are conducting the common entrance set. Okay, so that is PG set, PGCET, post graduation common entrance test. So once again you have to listen and remember. In first unit, introduction to advertising, unit number 1. Introduction to advertising. Okay, here definition. So according to that you have to, and significance, then after classification, classification of advertisements, and functions of advertising, then objectives, and so media planning, media selection, and media planning process, selection of media, selection of media, and factors influencing the choice of media, benefits of advertising. So these topics are covered in first unit. First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of advertise, what is the meaning of advertising, and what is the meaning of advertisement. Then after, you have to know significance, the significance of the advertisement, and after you have to divide the classification of the advertisement or the types of the advertisement. Then after, and what functions are there to the advertisement. But each and every subject compulsory, the functions of the financial accounting, the functions of the cost accounting, the functions of the the functions of the management. Like here also, what functions are there to the advertisement? So that is the functions of advertising and objectives of the advertising. So these are very very important. What are the types and advantages, and what are the types of the advertising, and what are the functions and objectives of the advertising? Like this type of questions will come. So according to syllabus, you have to read out. Okay, question answer. So what I told you here. So these topics you have to discuss, and these topics you have to prepare from the first unit. And next unit number 2. So that unit number 2 here, advertising and sales promotion. Advertising and sales promotion. So what is the meaning of sales promotion? That is sales promotion definition. Okay, and types. Sales promotion definition and types and features. Okay, and increasing importance reasons. Then after the role of media. Role of media in advertising. And types of media. Then print media, electronic media. So these are covering in the advertising and sales promotion, second unit. So first of all, you have to remember this is the very simple subject. It has a simple subject, and general topics are there in this subject. So that's why that subject is came into the skill enhancement course and common to all. It has common to all. So those are coming from the Bcom computers, Bcom general, and Bcom taxation, Bcom insurance, okay, and Bcom e-commerce and Bcom finance and Bcom business analytics, whatever it is, but it is common to all. It is common to all. And first of all, just we know what is that? What is the meaning of advertisement? Very simple question. Advertisement means it is a publicity. It is a publicity what we are introducing in the market. The simple meaning here, it has an publicity. It is a publicity. So for which purpose? To inviting the people and inviting from the public. So what invitation is there? So in everyday we have seen and we see number of showrooms in main road, and also in newspaper, in your TV, okay. So that is electronic media, and now in advertisement, that advertisements in your mobiles also. So what is that? The today's price ad. So what is the benefit? So easily, quickly, we are giving the information on mobile. So the internet connectivity now easily available. So according to that, so we are advertising more and more to the public. So what we are giving, what we are introducing in the market, so within second of fraction, then immediately we'll go to the public. సో ఇన్ హ్యాండ్ అంటే చాలా ఈజీగా తొందరగా డైరెక్ట్ కస్టమర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అతను వచ్చి బయటకు వచ్చి చూడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ దట్ యాడ్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ ఆన్ ది ఇఫ్ ఇట్ వాచింగ్ ద టీవీ, సో ద స్క్రోలింగ్ ఈస్ సో అండ్ సో. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ స్క్రోలింగ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఇన్ ఏ డే. Okay, and other ads also there for the essential commodities what we are requiring in human beings and what requiring to the companies and firms. Okay, so that what we are introducing a newly product, for the new product the advertisement is compulsory and signboards they are established. They are providing the signboards. Then at in public moment that we are arranging everything. So in complete how to write the definition in our subject matter. So generally we know then how to what is the meaning of advertisement and what are the functions and what are the types of the advertisement. Okay, right. But in subject point of view, in subject manner, so separate terminology is there to our subject. So according to that terminology you have to utilize and you have to write the exam. And the simple terminology, that own terminology we are using now, okay, but the subject terminology is different from the using terminology. That is already in our financial accounting subject, when introducing the subject financial accounting, after knowing the definition of the financial accounting and after knowing the functions, objectives and branches of accounting, like then immediately coming the terminology of accounting. So what is the meaning of capital and what is the meaning of transaction? The transactions are two types, business transactions, okay, and only transaction and business transaction. The transactions are cash transaction, credit transaction, like that. So here also what is the meaning of advertising and what are its objectives, and what is media, what is media planning, then how to go easily to the public, the information how to go easy to the public. So the paper ad, the pamphlets, it's a one type of advertisement. Okay. So newly if any festivals are there, so in newspaper number of ads are coming. So for the cine industry and for the manufacturing industry or any wholesalers and retailers industry, then for product purpose, what products we are producing in the market, okay, and what the customers habits are there. According to the customers habits, we are introducing number of products in the market. So how to advertise, so that is very very important. And before advertising, what is the media planning, what is the media selection, అంటే మనం ఏ మీడియా ద్వారా పోతే మనకు అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని సెలెక్షన్గా తీసుకోవడం. సో ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ ద టీవీ మీడియా, ద పేపర్ మీడియా, ఓకే, అండ్ డైరెక్ట్ మీడియా. సో ద డైరెక్ట్ మీడియాలో కూడా మనకి ఏమేమి వస్తాయి, సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు చూసుకోవాలి. అండ్ ఇన్ మీడియా ప్లానింగ్ సమ్ ప్రాసెస్ విల్ బి దేర్, హౌ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద ప్రాసెస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టెప్స్ ఇన్ మీడియా, and selection of media. Finally, the number of medias are there. Then final selection, how to select the final media selection. That is selection of media. And after that, what are the factors influencing? The choice of media. మనం ఏ మీడియాని అయితే చాయిస్ కింద తీసుకుంటున్నామో, మనం ఏదైతే చూస్ చేస్తామో దానివల్ల మనకు ఎలాంటి ప్రభావం చూపిస్తుంది, వాట్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సింగ్ ద చాయిస్ ఆఫ్ మీడియా. అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ ఆర్ ది బెనిఫిట్స్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వర్టైజింగ్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇఫ్ వి ఆర్ అడ్వర్టైజింగ్ అవర్ కంపెనీస్ ప్రోడక్ట్, ద ఫైనల్ గోల్ ఓన్లీ హౌ టు గెట్ ద మోర్ ప్రాఫిట్, హౌ టు గెట్ ద మ్యాక్సిమైజేషన్, ఓకే, హౌ టు profit maximization, then what is the profitability, then how to mobilize the customers, okay. For mobilization of the customers, we are using the different type of advertisements. So according to that information, just you have to prepare a small and big, that is short and long answers. You have to prepare for the important, each and every one. And also you remember whatever the questions or answers are there, but you point out the concept of the subject and remember in your mind. అంటే మెయిన్గా అసలు సబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏందో తెలుసుకుంటే దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మీరు బుక్ చదవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఈజీగా మీరు ఏదంటే అది రాయగలిగే కెపాసిటీ మీలో బిల్డప్ అయింది. సో నౌ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, దట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ మీకు తెలుసు. కొంత మీరు తెలియకుండానే అసలు సబ్జెక్ట్ అయితే తెలియదు, డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ టు ఆన్సర్ అది తీస్తే రాస్తారు, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ విత్ మినిమం 1 hour or 2 hours, 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours like your subject. So what is the syllabus and what topics are there, what they are asking, how to write the answer for the question, ఇది మీరు చూడాల్సి. కాబట్టి యూనిట్ వైజ్ కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్స్ విల్ బి దేర్, ఓకే, యూనిట్ వైజ్ కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్స్ విల్ బి దేర్. అండ్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద మోడల్ పేపర్ టు యూ, ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మోడల్ పేపర్, how they are giving the questions, and also we will also prepare some questions for examination point of view, okay. And next the unit 2, advertising and sales promotion, how to promote the sales in the market. So what is the meaning of sales promotion, and what are the types in sales promotion, and what are the features of the sales promotion. So this is very very important topic. Then how to increase the importance of the sales promotion. and what are the reasons for the sales promotion, how they are increasing, and finally, what is the role of media in advertising. So the sales promotion role of media in advertising, and types of media in sales promotion, and print media is there, electronic media is there. Okay, so in print media, electronic media, number of types are coming. It is easy question, the compulsory question in examination point of view. So that we have to discuss, and I will tell you everything. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు మరొకసారి ప్రతి సబ్జెక్టులో సిలబస్ ఏముంది, ఏ యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ 3 యూనిట్స్. లేదంటే కొంతమందికి అనిపిస్తుంది, సార్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది, చాలా టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, తర్వాత వేరే యూనిట్ అంటే చాలా చిన్నగా ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్, ఎనీ 3 యూనిట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్. 80 marks papers are there, other papers, not the SEC paper. So in managerial accounting, marginal costing problem is compulsory question, and working capital compulsory question. Problems are there, already Swaraj చెప్పండి మీకు చెప్తోంది. So decision making chapter also there, and other subjects, that is company law, commerce law, and financial institutes and markets. ఇప్పుడు కామర్స్ ల్యాబ్ అండ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అండ్ మార్కెట్స్ రెండు కూడా చంద్రకళ మేడం తీసుకుంటుంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ది 80 marks పేపర్స్. కామర్స్ ల్యాబ్ మీకు ప్రాక్టికల్స్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఇంటర్నల్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ బోత్ ఆర్ దే. ఓన్లీ 60 marks పేపర్ కామర్స్ ల్యాబ్. ఓకే, so if any internal or external exam, that is after your university exam, దాని నుంచి ఇప్పుడే మీరు ఏం టెన్షన్ పడకండి. ఆల్రెడీ I told to Chandrakala madam. Then how to prepare the commerce lab record and how to manage. So in COVID situation, actually that is no need. But anyhow, a simple topics are preparing, and what the Chandrakala madam is giving to you, so that we have to prepare in record. Okay, then how to prepare, the madam will tell. Then in financial institutes and markets, here the each and every subject having 5 units. Out of 5, you have to prepare any 3 perfect, and the remaining 2 no need, not necessary. But how many questions? 3 long questions and 2 short questions. Total 5 questions you have to answer. Okay, for the 5 questions you have to answer. So according to that you have to prepare. And myself, the company law and human resource management to the general students, Bcom general. Human resource and management అనేది ఓన్లీ Bcom general వాళ్ళకే ఉంటుంది. So sometimes by mistake wrongly uploaded by Madhavi madam. So you have to observe the human resource management subject only for the Bcom general. Okay, only general students. No need of the Bcom computers. So the computers, the Bcom computers are having the common paper, Bcom computers and Bcom general. The common papers are PTR, preparation of tax returns, advertising, now already I told you your syllabus, managerial accounting, company law, commerce law, and financial markets and institutes, or financial institutes and markets, FIM. So these 6 common papers to all. The last 2 papers, RDPMS and web technology to the computers, Bcom computers. Those who are Bcom computers, RDPMS paper is there, and web technology. So instead of the two papers, the Bcom general students, tax planning management (TPM) and human resource management. So both are theory subjects. So the tax planning management is taken by Venugopal sir, and human resource management, that is myself. That means that's it. సో అందులో కూడా వన్ యూనిట్స్ మాకు అయిపోయినాయి. సో ఈ 10 డేస్లో మీకు ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ 3 యూనిట్స్ వరకు కవర్ చేసేసి వాటికి కూడా క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో యూ డోంట్ వరీ. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ఫార్మింగ్ టు యూ, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ you have to gather and you have to collect your textbooks or any other materials what related is to your subjects. సరే, మీరు ఏ బుక్స్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు, ఎట్లా ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు అనేది పక్కన పెట్టేసి, మామూలుగా మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్కి మేడం పంకజ్ పబ్లికేషన్స్ RP3 టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఫాలో అయ్యే ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తుంది. అందులో మీకు థియరీకి సంబంధించిన కూడా టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ కవర్ అయిపోతాయి కాబట్టి అది చూసేసుకోండి సరిపోతుంది. And company-la Kalyani publications or Himalaya publications, whatever. Now I am following the Kalyani publications. So from Kalyani publication textbook I am telling everything. Okay. And human resource management also Kalyani publications. So maximum topics and subject very easy. So that also I am following. And commerce lab, financial institutions and markets, both also Kalyani publications or Himalaya publications. Whatever the Chandrakala madam is following the Kalyani publications. So what books are available in the library? So that is. So in media point of view, here what I told you see, already our subject is covered. The Kalyani publications, the Himalaya publications and the Pearson publications, okay, are Bcom series like that. So these are the advertising media. ఇప్పుడు మా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంది అని వాళ్ళు పబ్లిష్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, సో who are publishing, who are adding and who are providing that subject. So number of authors are there. So according to that everyone involved in some publications. So in Kalyani publications some authors are there, in Himalaya publications some authors are there, but same title and same text. So finally 80 to 90% same topics and same matter is related. Okay, or sometimes it will confuse, so 10% or 50%, but you don't worry. What you are understanding in easy way, that you write. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so thank you very much. And today I am introducing a new subject, that is advertising sec paper. So it has 2 units. Okay, only 2 units are there. The maximum marks are 50, 10 marks for the internal and 40 marks university exam. So 40 marks you have to prepare now. So that 40 marks coming from the 2 units only. That is already I have given the syllabus and how to prepare in a point wise. So these points we will discuss in the future. So within 1 week or within 10 days we will complete. So within 8 days or 7 days, already 1 day completed. Then tomorrow I will give the definition and classification of the advertisement and functions of the advertising. So how to write and what is the functions, what functions are there and how many types are there in that subject. Okay, and once again, then you have to follow the subject is, here also Himalaya publications are there and Kalyani publications are there. So whatever you follow, but the concept is always same. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.